Question number 5. Here y equal to 2 e power minus x is the solution of the differential equation. So there are second order differential equations. So let us find y1 first. y1 equal to 2 e power 2x into 2 minus plus e power minus x. So y1 equal to 4 e power 2x plus e power minus x, and y2 equal to 8 e power 2x minus e power minus x. Now we find y2 minus y1, which is 4 e power 2x minus 2 e power minus x. When we subtract them, then there is 4, it is minus 2 e power minus 2x. Now let us take 2 common. It is 2 e power 2x minus e power minus x. This is the value of y. Therefore, y2 minus y1 equal to 2y, and y2 minus y1 minus 2y equal to 0, and D is the option of question number 5. Question number 6. The order of the differential equation whose solution is this. Student, here there are 3 arbitrary constants A, B and C. So order of this differential equation is 3, and A option is correct here. Then question number 7. The solution of e power dy over dx equal to x when x equal to 1 and y equal to 0 is. So let us take log both sides. Then dy over dx log e is 1 equal to log x. Then we will write dy over dx is log x into dx. Integrating both sides, there is y, this side by part, log x as it is, integration of 1 is x minus, derivative of log x is 1 by x, integration of 1 is x, dx is cancelled, then it is x log x minus, integration of dx is x plus c. Since x is 1, so log 1 is 0 and y equal to 0, 0 equal to 0 minus 1 plus c, so c equal to 1 here. Therefore y equal to x log x minus x plus 1, and x common, it is x log x minus 1 plus 1, and D option is correct here. It is x log x minus 1 plus 1. Student, now question number 8. The general solution of differential equation dy over dx equal to e power y, e bracket e power x plus e power minus x plus 2x is. So we will separate the variables. E power minus y dy equal to e power x plus e power minus x plus 2x dx. Then integrating both sides, it is e power minus y upon minus 1 equal to, it is e power x minus e power minus x plus 2 into x square upon 2 plus c. Here 2 cancel. So multiply minus sign to the right side. So e power minus y equal to minus e power x plus e power minus x minus x square plus c. So e power minus x minus Let's see. E power minus y minus e power x. Yeah. So B option is correct here. Now, question number 9. The solution of the differential equation x dy minus y dx equal to 0 represent. We will write x dy equal to y dx and dy upon y equal to dx upon x. Then integrating both sides, it is log y equal to log x plus log c. From this we will get log y equal to c log x, log of cx. Then y equal to cx, and it represents a straight line. Now question number 10. The solution of dy over dx equal to ax plus y upon by, it is z. Ax plus z upon by plus f represent a circle when. So we will write dy into by plus f equal to ax plus z into dx. Then integrate both sides. There is a b into by square upon 2 plus f by equal to a into x square upon 2 plus gx plus c. Or we can write it ax square plus 2gx plus 2c this side b by square plus 2fy, and this equation becomes ax square minus by square plus 2gx minus 2fy plus 2c equal to 0. Since if a equal to minus b, a equal to minus b, then coefficient of x square by square are equal and it represents a circle. So condition is a equal to minus b and b option is correct here. The integrative factor of differential equation x dy over dx plus y log x equal to x e power x into minus 1 upon x log x. It is power. There is power of x. X power minus 1 upon 2 log x. Then dy over dx plus log x upon x into y equal to e power x into x power minus 1 upon 2 log x. So integrative factor equal to e power integration log x upon x dx. Let log x equal to t. When we suppose log x equal to t, then its derivative is 1 upon x, dx equal to dt, and dx equal to x dt. Then integrative factor equal to e power integration 1 upon x, log x equal to t equal to x dt. This cancel out. Then e power integration of t is t square upon 2. Then value of t is log x, e power 1 upon 2 log x whole square. 1 upon 2 log x whole square. So we can say root e whole power log x whole square. And C option is correct here.